Shopping for clothes. It was Saturday afternoon. The weather was warm, and the streets of the city were full of people. Sarah and her friend Lisa decided to go shopping together. Sarah needed a new dress for her cousin's birthday party, and Lisa wanted to buy a pair of jeans. The girls walked down the main street where all the shops were. There were many big windows with colorful clothes, shoes, and bags on display. They stopped in front of one store called Fashion World. "Lisa, look, Sarah. This shop looks nice. Do you want to go inside?" Sarah, "Yes, let's go. Maybe I can find a dress here." They entered the shop. The air was cool, and soft music was playing in the background. The shop was big, with many sections: dresses, trousers, shirts, jackets, and accessories. A shop assistant smiled at them. "Assistant, good afternoon, ladies. Can I help you?" Sarah, "Good afternoon. I'm looking for a dress for a birthday party." Lisa, "And I need a pair of jeans, please." Assistant, "Of course. The dresses are over there, on the left side. The jeans are at the back, near the jackets. Please, have a look." Sarah and Lisa, "Thank you. Looking for a dress." Sarah walked to the dresses section. There were many dresses, short and long, red and blue, simple and decorated. She touched the fabric of a light blue dress. Sarah, thinking this one is pretty, but maybe too simple. "I want something special." She took another dress from the hanger. It was red with small white flowers. Sarah, "This one looks nice. But is red too bright for a birthday party?" She asked Lisa. Sarah, "Lisa, what do you think about this red dress?" Lisa, "I think it looks very pretty. Try it on. You need to see how it looks on you." Sarah nodded and chose 3 dresses: the red one, a black one with short sleeves, and a green one with a belt. She went to the fitting room. The shop assistant came to help. "Assistant, would you like to try these on?" Sarah, "Yes, please. Can I use the fitting room?" Assistant, "Of course, here you go." In the fitting room, Sarah went inside and looked in the mirror. She tried the red dress first. Sarah, thinking it's nice, but maybe a little too short. She stepped out to show Lisa. Lisa, "Wow, the color is beautiful, but yes, maybe it's a little short." Sarah changed into the black dress. Sarah, thinking this one is comfortable, but it looks too serious. Like for work, not for a party. She came out again. Lisa, It's okay, but not very festive. Maybe not the best choice." Finally, Sarah tried the green dress with a belt. Sarah, "Oh. This feels perfect." She stepped out and twirled. The dress fit her well. It was not too short, not too long, and the green color made her eyes look brighter. Lisa, "Yes. This is the one. You look amazing in it." Sarah, smiling, "I think so too. I will take it." Looking for jeans. While Sarah was in the fitting room, Lisa went to the jeans section. There were many types: skinny, straight, wide, dark blue, light blue, even black. She picked up a pair of skinny jeans. Lisa, These look nice. But maybe I want something more comfortable." She tried a pair of straight jeans. She went to another fitting room and came out to show Sarah, who was now holding her chosen green dress. Sarah, "Those jeans look really good on you. Do they fit well?" Lisa, "Yes, they are comfortable. Not too tight, not too loose." Sarah, "Then take them. You look great." The shop assistant returned. Assistant, "How are the clothes? Do they fit?" Sarah, "Yes, thank you. I will take this green dress." Lisa, "And I will take these jeans." Assistant, "Perfect. Let's go to the cash desk." At the cash desk, the girls walked to the counter. The cashier smiled. "Cashier, did you find everything you were looking for?" Sarah, "Yes, thank you. This dress, please. Lisa, and these jeans for me, please. Cashier, of course. The dress is 35 pounds, and the jeans are 40 pounds. Sarah, here is my card. Lisa, and here is mine. The cashier put the clothes into nice paper bags with the shop's logo. Cashier, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Sarah and Lisa, thank you. Goodbye. After shopping, the girls walked out of the shop with their bags. They felt happy and excited. The sun was still shining, and the street was full of people carrying shopping bags. Lisa, I'm so happy with these jeans. They fit perfectly. Sarah, and I love this dress. I can't wait to wear it to the party. Lisa, you will look amazing. Everyone will ask you where you bought it. Sarah, laughing, then I will say, Fashion World. They both laughed and decided to stop at a cafe for some tea and cake. Shopping always made them hungry. The birthday party. A week later, Sarah went to her cousin's birthday party. She wore the green dress with the belt. When she entered the room, everyone turned to look. Cousin, Sarah. You look wonderful. I love your dress. Friend, yes, it's beautiful. Where did you get it? Sarah, smiling at Fashion World. I went shopping with Lisa. Sarah felt confident and happy. The dress was perfect. She danced, talked, and laughed with her family and friends. She thought, sometimes shopping is difficult, but when you find the right clothes, it feels amazing.